Hi guys, Elizabeth here. Thanks for joining me today. I got my Play by Sephora box for May of 2018. It's the $10 a month beauty subscription box by Sephora. And it always comes with a pamphlet to tell you what's in it and a 50 Beauty Insider points if you purchase something. This month in May it says you can also use them online. It gives you like a little code or something for that. So let's get into it. I have opened it because you guys, it came yesterday and you know I cannot resist. So it's cute denim bag, Play by Sephora. It's got like a red and white, kind of one of those like bungee shoestring kind of deals. I don't know what to say, but I might as well get right to it. So excited. This made the entire box for me. It is from Becca. It is their Shimmering Skin Perfector Highlighter in Champagne Pop. So I'm so excited. It looks like it's going to be quite sparkly. I do not have this product. The only highlighter I have right now is the Benefit Watts Up, and it is so close to my skin color. I'm wearing it right now. It's so close to my skin color, no matter how much I put on, it doesn't show. So I'm kind of excited. It looks like the Champagne Pop is going to pop out for me. So that I'm really excited about. The next item is something I've received from Sephora before, and it is the POREfessional by Benefit. It's a primer. Now, I don't have big pores. I have teeny tiny eensy weensy pores, except for like, I have one like huge like caldera, like right in the middle of my forehead, and just a little bit on my nose. I have tried it before. I don't think it was one of my faves, but I am going to try it again, and maybe just like on my nose, and then use my other primer elsewhere. And I'll see if it does anything for that big caldera right in the middle. So the third item I received, which at first I was I'm spitting all over the place. Sorry. Luckily it's not spitting on you guys. It's the Bumble Bumble Thickening Spray, and it's at first I'm tried not to blow dry my hair. My hair is very thin, fine, and fragile, and I'm trying to get away from blow drying. So I thought, well, I'm probably not going to be able to use it very often because, you know, you're supposed to spray it on and then blow dry. But in the manual they gave, it said you can put it on wet or damp hair before styling or air drying. So I'm going to try that and see if just air drying, if it will give me some thickness. So at first I was like, and then when I read I could try to air dry with it, I'm a little more excited about that. The fourth item, because you always get 5 items plus a bonus, and the fourth item is hiding from me in this bag. It is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper, and what's interesting, this time it says Trooper Black. This is the third time I've received it. It usually just says Trooper. This time it says Trooper Black. It's always been black. I am not going to open this. It's a liquid eyeliner, but I have like some lines at the corner of my eyes, and it always seeped in, so I couldn't get it my wing was never like sharp, because it would like kind of seep up into my fine lines. So I am going to put this in my giveaway pile for the next time I have a giveaway. So hopefully, I've heard a lot of good things about it. It just doesn't work for my eyes, but it is black. It does stay on. It's just not for me. The fifth item of the regular stuff is this Sephora Collection Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. I do have a few little blemishes, bumps going on. I'm in my 50s. I don't really get, I'm not the oil slick I was in my teens and 20s and 30s. I like the sheet mask, but it looks like I'm only going to get 1 or 2 masks out of that, because I do my face and my neck. I have my décolletage when I mask. So I am going to go ahead and try that and see what happens. See if it kind of clears up a little bit of those bumps I've got going on. So I'll let you know my empties whether that worked. And for the bonus, a lot of times it's perfume, sometimes it's hair. A lot of people love the perfume. Perfume makes me cough, so I am not going to spray it, but I can tell you this Victor & Rolf Flower Balm is a warm and spicy fragrance. Fragrance family, warm and spicy. Top notes jasmine, middle notes orange blossom, and base notes patchouli. I did have someone Sephora say this is one of their top sellers. It's got like one of those spray tops on it, so I will be passing it on to a friend. My friends enjoy perfumes, so I'm their perfume sample buddy. And that is it for the Sephora this time. I was really excited. I've got the Flower Balm, which I'm sure my friends will love, in this pretty denim bag. So the Flower Balm, the mask, which I'm going to give it a try, the Kat Von D eyeliner and Trooper, which one of my lucky subscribers is going to get when I have a giveaway, the Bumble Thickening Spray, which I'm definitely looking forward to trying it now that I know I can use it with air-dried hair, the Professional. I am going to try it again. Like I said, I only tried one little sample before, so we'll see. And then if I ever get another one again and I don't care for it that much, and I'll pass it on. And the excitement of the whole thing, the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, which highlighter, and I'm trying to open it up so I can show you guys again, and all of a sudden I can't open the product in Champagne Pop. So that's it for May 2018. Let me know what you think of this box, or if you got a subscription and you do unboxings and I'm not following me, let me know, because I would love to. If you like unboxings and makeup in general, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I will talk with you later. Bye.